Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to install ShareX screen recorder and how to solve audio problem in it. So let's go. I'm just searching ShareX. First I got that downloading link getsharex.com. Just clicking on it. Now I am on that site of ShareX. Here is the whole look of that application. Okay, without wasting any time, I'm downloading this. This version is available for Windows 10, 8.1 and Windows 7. I am using Windows 10 here. Just started download. The file is downloading. As you can see, it's now downloaded. So let's open it. It's asking me the permission to install it. I accept the agreement. Next, 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 next. Installation has begun. Okay. Now successfully I installed ShareX on my PC. Now I will show you how to run it and how to use it. Okay, now you can see that ShareX is successfully installed. There are some shortcuts available for recording. Control plus Shift plus print screen for start and stop screen recording for GIF files only. Shift plus print screen for stop and stop for screen recording, means video MP4. Alter plus print screen for capture active video. Print screen for capture entire screen, and control plus print screen for capture region. Okay, now I will tell you how to solve audio problem in it. For that, just go to task setting. In task setting, screen recorder. In screen recorder, screen recording option. Now here you can see audio source. Audio source. If there is from default side none is available, you need to select your desired microphone. It's my microphone Realtek high definition. Then close it. Now you are ready to record everything which you want. I am showing one example to you. Shift print screen is the shortcut, but I am going to from menu section, screen recording. Okay, now as you can see that cursor is scanned to select the region which one I want. Okay, I am just selecting this one. I want to record this one, and my recording is started. As you can see, stop, abort and timing recorded. I can record stop from about here to, or just by placing shift print screen, and after that my recorded video will be available in ShareX folder. Okay, I'm aborting from here. My whole video is recorded and now available in ShareX. You can check there if you want. So here's the whole procedure of installation and solving audio problem. Thank you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel.